guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Queendashe, also known as Kiana, and I just want to start off this video with quickly just saying I know it's been a while since I've been posting. It's been a whole lot going on over here with the new baby and pretty much everyone except for my daughter in the house getting a little sick, so I kind of had to take a little bit of a pause, but we are getting right back at it with these videos, and I'm going to try to post every Wednesday and Saturday, my usual posting schedules. So yes, I really needed to get that out of the way. But in this video, we are going to be cleaning my downstairs. It was really important for me to mop, especially after all of us getting sick and everything. So I am starting off in my kitchen per usual, and I'm going to sweep the whole downstairs, and then we are going to end up moving on to a next day, because I've been doing most of my cleanings once my kids go to bed. And so then the next day I will start cleaning some more.
$10 on the 90, I keep it so on it. Could never take a hand out. New cars, bigger house, everything was planned out. 2020 hindsight, noticing how I panned out. Never did too much, never wanted to stand out. Spent plenty in my 20s, no place empty. God sent me, keep it thorough, this not trendy. Don't tempt me, on the edge and I'm sick. See them stealing my moves, hear them jacking my lyrics. But Chris can never dance like Mike, and Floyd can never hit like Tyson. I am who I am, never tripping, I just stick to the plan. And if I trip, it's to a beach, I put my toes in the sand. Silly.
Oh, here you are, face to face in this trashy bar. Another glass and I am going places. Makes me laugh about the irony of everything. I like the way you're thinking. I don't really care about the music on the dance floor. I don't really mind all the smokers in the bathroom. I don't care at all, baby, you got my attention. So you were saying, oh no, I don't see the logic of things. It's quite a lonely world that we're living in. Oh baby, you are something special, I'm sure. Everything makes total sense when you're next to me. Times another drink and I'll go anywhere. The way you smell, like a flash in the universe. You are illuminating. I don't really care about the people in the bar line.
So here I'm just getting the mop bucket ready because I'm going to sweep and mop all at the same time. So I just made sure that the water was really hot. I think next time I mop, I'm going to boil the water on the stove because I want to see if I get more dirt up that way and just see how that works out for me. But yes, I'm going to sweep and then mop the area and then sweep the next area and then mop the area, just so that way it was a little bit quicker, especially with me having the baby. It just makes it a little bit easier to get section by section completely done and out of the way.
Even if I told you I could never let you go, I'm not so sure you believe me. But if I mean to show you, I will never let you go. No, 'cause you don't see the logic of things. It's quite a lonely world that we're living in. Oh baby, you are something special, I'm sure. Everything makes total sense when you're next to me.
So as I'm doing this voiceover, this is after Christmas. This video was recorded before Christmas, so just leave me a comment down below. How was your Christmas? Our Christmas was actually really good. It was just us and my sister. It was amazing. We had a good time. So how was you guys' Christmas?
Sometimes when I'm thinking about us, before we got lost and we parted, back to back we would carry on and we'd do anything for what we started. But this time we could break, I'm running dry, everything's the same. We'll try tonight, this time we're not safe and sound, not safe and sound. What if I'm no good for you? What if you're no good for me? Yeah. What if I'm no good for you? What if you're no good for me? Yeah. Sometimes when I'm reasoning about us, I know you got me, it's so effortless. Back to back we would carry on and do anything for what we started. But this time we could break, I'm running dry, everything's the same. We'll try tonight, this time we're not safe and sound, not safe and sound. What if I'm no good for you? What if you're no good for me? Yeah. What if I'm no good for you? What if you're no good for me? Yeah. What if I'm no good for you? What if you're no good for me? Yeah. What if I'm no good for you? What if you're no good for me? Yeah. What if I'm no good for you? What if you're no good for me? Yeah. What if I'm no good for you? What if you're no good for me? Yeah. What if I'm no good for you? What if you're no good for me? Yeah. What if I'm no good for you? What if you're no good for me? Yeah. What if I'm no good for you? What if you're no good for me?
So we are on to the next day, and I am going to clean my guinea pig's cage. I do have a face mask on because I believe the last time I cleaned the guinea pig's cage, I ended up getting sick with a lung infection, and it was just like, not a lung infection, but a sinus infection. And it was just all bad, and their cage was very disgusting, so I needed to like thoroughly scrub it, and you'll see me doing that. The water was so disgusting from me cleaning it, but it definitely was worth it, and it needed done. And we just feel so much better. Like, our sinuses have not been messing up as bad as it was before I thoroughly cleaned their cage.
Lay with me, if only for a moment, only for a while. I regret letting you go, and you were mine. I thought I'd be fine, but now my heart don't feel right, and this pain doesn't go away. Yeah. If I could turn back time, I would've never let you down, 'cause now I'm waiting for you to say, stay with me. Call me back, I haven't heard from you in so long, I'm starting to forget what you sound like. 'Cause now that it's over, I'm by myself. Yeah. I thought I'd be fine, but no more. My heart don't feel right. This pain doesn't go away. If I could turn back time, I would've never let you down. 'Cause now I'm waiting for you to say,
kinda simple, kinda wishful about things, and you're kinda simple, but like a pistol.
So this is it for me cleaning and for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys got some motivation, whether it was just to, I don't know, mop your floor or something like that. I really hope you guys got some type of motivation out of this. I will see you guys in the next one. Please make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and if you are not subscribed, really please do consider, because this is a whole lot of good things going on in this channel. So I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.